Here is your memory modules. Let's install them. Here is my motherboard. As you may see, it's ASRock A75 Extreme 6. First module is installed. Now the second one. As you may see, they installed in the slot of the same color. It's channel 1, slots A and B. Now let's run the PC. The PC is running. Okay, let's go here. Pressing delete to enter BIOS. Oh shit. It switched off for some reason. Let's see why. It's running alright. Here is alright. Again. Pressing delete. Why? Okay, now I am in BIOS. As you may see, both modules are installed in channel A, in channel 1, but they run in single channel memory mode.